Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install VirtualBox extensions. In the VirtualBox download page there is a section for extension. So extensions are common across all platforms. So we will click on all supported platforms and it will download the extensions. So now it's downloaded. So I'm just opening it. We can see that it's downloaded in my download folders. Now what we have to do is that we have to start the VirtualBox. And VirtualBox has to be started as administrator. In this case I haven't started as administrator, so anyway I will select the VirtualBox extension pack from my file browser, select it, and this installation is going to fail because it's not as an administrator. So I'm putting this video because most people are making this mistake, and I will show you how to run it as an administrator. See, this installation has failed because it was trying to install as a normal user. Now we will see how to install it as an administrator. So we will right click the icon and run it as an administrator, and it will ask you the username and password. I have skipped it. Under the preferences there will be sections for extensions, and we will try to add the extensions file. But note, it will by default select the admin user downloads. So I have to select the trainer user download. So I am going to see users training. Then inside the training user downloads I will have that file. By mistake, if you look at the admin user downloads, you will not have that file. So I am agreeing the licenses here. It will install and installation will be success. So again it's under the preferences part, extension,